In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to Airtable's website. If you're not already there, open up your browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have an Airtable account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, this is a good moment to sign up. After you've signed in, hit that continue button to proceed. You should now be directed to your workspace. Next, find a table that you want to transform into a form and click on it to open it up. Once inside the table, look at the top where it says Forms. Clicking this will take you to all the forms associated with this table. If this is a new table, chances are there won't be any forms listed yet. So what you're going to do is click on New Form. Great, you're now in the form builder. It's always a good idea to name your form something intuitive so that you and others know its purpose at a glance. Simply click and change the form name to whatever makes sense for you. Maybe something like survey or feedback form depending on its function. After you've given your form a suitable name, you should see an option to create form. Go ahead and click that to proceed. It's now time to decide what fields you want in your form. These could be anything from their name to specific questions you want answered. Click on Fields to start adding or editing fields. Upon clicking on Fields, you'll see a list of all the existing fields. You can select fields like name or maybe notes if you want respondents to provide additional information. Not everything pre-listed may be relevant, so feel free to click on and select only the fields you desire for your form. If you want to change the field name to be more precise, select a field, click on the Edit option, and type in your desired name. Don't forget to hit Save once you're satisfied with the changes. With the structure of the form now in place, it's time to publish it. Click on Publish Form to make it go live. Before you share it with anyone, you might want to adjust who can access this form. Usually an option like anyone on the web, anyone at a domain, or only users with base access will determine the level of accessibility. Choose whichever option suits you best. Everything set and done, finalize your form by clicking on Share. This gives you a link to distribute. You've now successfully created a form in Airtable. Thanks for following along and happy form building.